Okay, Quinn, are you ready to do birds? I'll say which bird. I'll do the sound and you pick out the bird, okay? We have a mallard duck, a bobwhite quail, a goose, a mourning dove, a crow, a chickadee, an owl, and a pigeon. Okay. Which bird says chickadee-dee-dee-dee-dee? Good, the chickadee. Which bird says honk, 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 honk? Good, the goose. Which bird says quack, 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 quack? Good, the duck. Which bird says ooh, 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 ooh? That's the mourning dove. Which bird says ooh, ooh? Yeah, the pigeon. Which bird says bob white, bob white? Yeah, the bobwhite quail. Which bird says hoo, hoo, hoo? Yeah, the great horned owl. And which bird says caw, caw? That's right. Good job, Bug. You want more? Okay.